A lookup table, or LUT, is a color grading preset, and it can completely change the look and mood of your shot. You don't need fancy video software to use these. You can apply LUTs right in OBS. Before applying a LUT, I do highly suggest locking in your webcam's exposure, white balance, and gain. I have an OBS settings guide that goes into that, linked in the info card and in the description. I suggest doing this so that your colors and your white balance and the overall lighting of your shot doesn't automatically change and conflict with the look that you're looking for with your LUT. So the first thing you'll need is a LUT itself. It's a .cube file. OBS has a few sample LUTs built into the software, but you can get free ones all over the internet. The ones that I'm going to be using from this video are from Just Alex Halford. All right, so here's the video right here. I know it says font pack, but it's the LUT pack, and it's gonna open some pop-up. Don't worry about that. It'll ask you where to download it. Now you're gonna want to show in folder. If it's a zip, you're gonna need to unzip it, right click, extract all, then click browse. Now you can extract this to wherever you want, but personally I will put it in the OBS filters folder. That way when you click browse in OBS, you don't have to go ahead and search around for it. So mine is in my C drive, program files, OBS Studio, data, OBS plugins, OBS filters, LUTs. Then I'll extract it there. You might need administrator privileges. Just press continue. And now this is all your LUTs. All right, now in OBS, you're gonna wanna right click your webcam or whatever camera source you have. Click filters, then click the bottom plus sign. Up here, apply LUT, and you can name it whatever. And then click browse. So this is the ones that we just downloaded, color grading preset pack. I've already tried these out. I like number 5, so I'll click that. And then open, and now it is transformed the image. It looks really cool. I like it a lot. It makes the image look a lot more vibrant, and you can toggle this eye on or off so you can see what it looks like before and after. You can also adjust the intensity of the LUT itself with this slider on a mount. Drag it down, drag it up. I kind of like this like pretty much all the way, give it that maximum intensity. But some of the LUTs are really overpowering. So let's try a different one. This one is like super teal. For the lighting that I have going on right here, it's not really that great. It makes the blacks look like really blue. So you can drag this down and then just get it to a point where it has that nice cool effect, but it doesn't completely overpower your image. See you in the next video.